I'm going to guide you on how to invisibly protect a folder in Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now to get started, you need to launch your File Explorer. Then you can go to the folder that you want to invisibly protect. So let's say, for example, I want to protect this folder Windows. So I'll just right click on it, then go to Properties, then go to Hidden, then click on OK, then apply to this folder only, then OK. Then as you can see, the folder has disappeared. So if anyone could access your computer and come to this location, he will not be able to see the folder Windows. Now in order to access the folder again, you'll just go to View at the top there, then check Hidden Items. Then you are going to see the folder here. Now right click on it again, then go to Properties, then uncheck Hidden, then OK, then apply changes to this folder only, then OK. Then the folder can be accessed. So as you can see, I've also hidden this Windows 11. So in order to unhide it, I'm just going to click it, then I'll go to Properties, then I can uncheck now this, then click OK. So by doing so, you will be able to invisibly protect your folders. So I hope this was helpful, and if it was, please leave a like and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a nice time.